I've got something super interesting to share today: EchoXen eardrops. If you've been dealing with ear discomfort or struggling with hearing issues, then you definitely need to hear this. I've been using it for a while now, and it's been a total game changer. EchoXen is a supplement designed to improve ear health and help with clarity. If you've ever experienced tinnitus, reduced hearing, or just that uncomfortable feeling in your ears, then EchoXen might be exactly what you're looking for. It's packed with ingredients like zinc, maca root, and ashwagandha, all natural, powerful ingredients that support hearing health. What I love most about EchoXen is how easy it is to use. You just take the drops, and it starts working. No complicated routines or side effects, just results. The formula focuses on improving blood circulation to the ears and boosting nerve health, which are key factors when it comes to hearing and ear discomfort. Now, I've tried many ear health products before, but I've really felt a difference with EchoXen. My hearing has definitely gotten sharper, and that annoying ringing sound from tinnitus? It's way less intense. I actually feel like my ears are clearer and more comfortable. Another thing that really stands out to me is the quality of ingredients. EchoXen doesn't contain any harmful chemicals or GMOs, which is such a relief. The ingredients are all natural, and that's something I'm always looking for in a product, especially when it's going in my body. What's also great is that EchoXen is designed for everyone, whether you're dealing with hearing loss, discomfort, or just want to prevent future ear issues. It's super safe to use and is made in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities in the USA, so you know it's top-notch. After using EchoXen, I feel more confident about my ear health. Tinnitus has calmed down, my hearing feels clearer, and I'm just overall more comfortable. I'm genuinely happy with how it's working for me, and I can see myself using it long-term. So, if you're looking for something that supports your ear health, I'd say give EchoXen a try. It's made a big difference for me, and I believe it can for you too. Check the link in the description to find out more, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.